Hi all, welcome back to my channel. It is Vlogmas day 7. Sorry, I have a mess. I was like unboxing some stuff, but I know there wasn't a Vlogmas for day 4, 5, and 6, but there's just been a lot going on in my personal life and like with school and everything. But there is a Vlogmas day 7 and there will be an 8 and hopefully one for the rest of this season. But today is kind of a really busy day. What we're gonna do today is, one, we have to make some soap, and it's part of my like DIY gifts that I'm doing. So we're gonna do that. We're gonna do some thrift shopping for a Christmas sweater for tonight, and some gift wrapping because tonight is my secret Santa, my secret Santa thing with my sorority. And then I'll probably take you to that depending on how I scope out, like if I should vlog there or not, kind of thing. But yeah, so let's get to it. Let's go make some soap and some DIY gifts, thrift shop, gift wrap, and let's do the thing. Alright, so we're gonna do the soap making thing first. I don't know what it looks like. So we're gonna do the soap making first, and so this is what the soap looks like. I literally just got this at Michael's, and I think it's like $10. And they have like different kinds of soaps. They have like this one's a shea butter. They have like goat's milk, and they have like a couple other options that you can pick from. And it's just white, so this is what it looks like. I think it will focus.
Nasty.
Not really. So it's just like sitting in the double boiler, so it'll melt, and then eventually. You're so weird. I'll be putting in scents, and then I have some rose petals and lavender to add to the soaps, but that's not till it's all melted. So I'm just using a wooden stick to stir it because I don't want to get my spatulas all nasty. But it's melting pretty quickly now that the water's boiled. So now I'm just going to stir it to facilitate the melting of the soap. Alright, so I have my little soap set up already. I have my little soap molds. They're just like little foam, not foamy, but like squishy silicone ones. I've got essential oils. I've got a grapefruit one, orange, cinnamon, lavender. I'm not exactly sure what that is because it's a blend. Some lavender, some rose petals, and some eucalyptus essential oil. So this is kind of the scents we're gonna do, and then add some flower petals for like to make them a little bit cuter, and yeah. Alrighty, now that the soap is all melted, I'm gonna put it in the mold. Oh fuck, that's hot.
Big mistake.
I'm gonna put it into the molds. I think I might do one mold at a time, so that I can put the scents into it.
Don't spill it.
Oh, might be a little too late. Oh, not good. Alright, so I figured out the easiest way to do it is to grab a big spoon and ladle the soap into the soap molds. Now that's done, I can put in the essential oils and all the different petals. You can take about like 5 drops or so, and then just stir it in, and then you just let them sit after for a while. Hi guys, so you guys saw the whole process of soap making and how it turned out and everything. I'm a little bit disappointed in them only because the scent isn't as strong as I wish it was, but now I know for next time that I make soap to just add more essential oils. Oh, I thought I was gonna sneeze. But now I'm just gonna do some gift wrapping. I've been doing a little bit. I finally sorted out all my gifts for like white elephants, like right up there, and then for my friends for tomorrow. And then I finished my Little's paddle. Look how cute it is. It's like Christmas. It says like Delta Phi Epsilon there, which is our sorority's name, snowflakes, and then like a little Grinch holding a ornament with her name on it. It's so cute. I'm obsessed. Obviously I'm not gonna wrap that, but I am gonna wrap my Secret Santa stuff. I wrapped one thing already. I just have to wrap the other thing. And then the soap I just put into a little like mesh baggie or like fiber. I don't know what kind of bag this is, but it's just like a little baggie that's not plastic. It's like cotton. No, I don't know, but in a little bag. Okay, so I'm gonna finish wrapping up and then I'm gonna get ready because I have to go to the Christmas party thing majiggy. And then I know I said I was gonna go Christmas sweater shopping, but we decided that we don't need them for the other party that we're going to tonight, and we're just going to wear like hats, like Santa hats, and then the light bulb necklaces. So yeah. Hi guys, so last I saw you guys I was wrapping gifts plural, whatever, but so I told you that we didn't get Christmas sweaters, but Em got us these lights, these little Christmas light necklaces, and they light up. They're super cute. And then she got us these jingle necklaces and Santa hats. So this is what we're wearing to the second party that we're going to tonight. The first one was our Christmas gift buying exchange, Secret Santa, White Elephant, with our friends, sisters. And so my secret sister was Brianna. She got me this super cool CBD charcoal face mask, which I'm really excited about. Like, I've never tried CBD products, but we'll see how that goes. And then, but I do like face masks, so that's super exciting. But then she got me this aromatherapy shower steamers, breathe easier, like shower thing where you put it in and it'll make your shower smell like, I think it's eucalyptus scent. And then it kind of like clears your sinuses, so I'm really excited about that. And then, okay, so she got me this chocolate soap, and it's a bunny. It's so cute. Look. Oh, it's slippery. Oh, it like legit just smells like M&M's or like chocolate and like vanilla, I feel like. And then I also participated in the white elephant. And then in my white elephant gift, I got a DIY powder to clay mask. So another face mask. It was like perfect. I got like the perfect gifts for me, I feel like. And then a little Pacifica baggie, and it's like a face wash, I think, and like deodorant wipes, which will be super nice for like when I go to the gym instead of carrying actual, I mean I could carry the deodorant and these, but these are be super nifty to put in my gym bag. And last but not least, I got a moisturizing jelly, I believe, and a perfume and some rubbers. I'm gonna give those away. I don't want them. But yeah, this is what I'm gonna go out in a little bit, but I'm most definitely not vlogging there. So I'm gonna end Vlogmas Day 7 here, and I'll see you guys in the next one.